Today we're going into $300,000 trending products that you can sell this Q4 and make a butt ton of money. Let's go. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. My name is Ricky Hayes for those that don't know me. Before we get into today's video, be sure to subscribe, be sure to like and comment down below what videos you'd like to see in the future. Okay, and check out my channel. I've got over 150 videos of course grade content that you're going to love. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the first product right now. Product number one, a leather refurbishing cleaner for homes and cars. Okay, so you can see this is the product here. Let's jump straight into the ad. All right, so I've just muted my volume. So you can see this is the product here. Okay, and you can see what it does straight off the bat, that they just do that and it looks much better as a result. So similar to another item that I have spoken about in the past, this item goes a step further and means you don't need to put a cover over your couch. You can just actually refurbish the couch, hence the name, the refurbishing cleaner, the all new leather refurbishing cleaner. Now I want to add to this that for everyone who is interested in a video on how to make high converting videos, of the three products today, I want you to vote on which you would like, and there's a couple of other suggestions too. Let's have a look further at how we can sort of define our audience. When we do product research to make $100,000 for a product, we also need to determine our audience. And one easy way is to look at what already has been working well. Usually we can see a clear defined audience of either male or female. In this regard, we're actually seeing a pretty skewed looking amount of people being, I'm actually saying it looks to be a lot more male than female, but it seems that it's actually very similar. Okay, so we don't actually know if this item is for men or just for women. Okay, so we don't 100% as yet know that. So we're going to leave it as men and women. However, what we can see, okay, is if we hover over this, one thing we can see is that this is to people in Western countries. By the looks of it, America. We're seeing various people from different parts of the United States. So we know this is to United States. They're scaling this in the United States up to 7 weeks ago, and you can see that people are liking this, and we're seeing it's male and female. If we have a closer look, we're generally seeing that a lot of these men and women look to be in their mid to older 20s. So as I've always said, most of the time your audiences are going to be 25 and up, and that looks to be very similar here. I would argue that it would be at least 25 and up for this, that I would argue that it would be older audiences that have older couches, for instance. Okay, so that is how we can do it. We can see why this item is such a great item, because it helps to solve a problem that a lot of people have with their couches. They don't need to buy a new couch, they don't need a cover. They can just get a cloth and wipe it on and it fixes it. It also works for cars, okay, or anything that has some form of upholstery. So this is a great item that people will buy in volume as well. So if we go back here and have a look at the AliExpress link, let's have a look at the price. The cool thing with when I found this product as well is you can actually ship it from United States. Okay, these people have warehouses in a number of countries. So if you're planning to do it in Europe as well, you've also got European countries. So you don't even need to go to a third-party fulfillment agent. For this, you can go straight to this supplier. It's perfect. They've got over 1,500 orders, about 100 reviews, 4.5 star rating. Okay, and you can use this to help make your product page. If you want more info on that, just comment that down below. But you can see here that we've also got a video. So whenever I try and do product research, I always recommend that, and you can see it works on shoes, didn't even think of that, that you can use the videos from AliExpress. So when we go and make a video and a YouTube video, let me know if you want to do it, because I can help to sort of formalize how the process works, and it becomes very easy for you. So you can see it's $2.44, okay, and we'll be selling it for $19.99. We'll be selling it for $19.99. We at least need about a $15 margin at minimum now to be scalable. And I would argue that people are going to buy 2 or more of these, okay? Because as we've seen, it also works. So it works on cars, it works on shoes, it works on couches, it can work on chairs. Anything with some form of leather upholstery will be perfect. So people will happily buy this item. The type of people that you want to target would be home living, DIY magazines, furniture stores, famous interior decorators. I didn't think of it, but shoe brands, okay, famous shoe brands. If we also think about it, again, about chairs, also more interior decorators, furniture stores, so on. Cars, okay, so if we think of various cars, famous, supercars like Ferrari, Lamborghini, an example. I'm sure we all know those. So the demographic, okay, I put this down before actually having a closer look at the video. I put 25 and up women, okay? I'm incorrect. It's actually 25 and up men and women, okay? And what we also know is it's to United States. So we definitely know that this is to United States starting out, and that you can scale to the other big four and European countries, okay? And the budget, I would start at $50 a day, okay? I have videos on this in my channel. If you are interested in that, I recommend that you go and watch it as a Facebook testing strategy, okay? This is just purely for winning products. So this is product number 1. Let's go straight into the second product now. Product number 2, compression gloves. Now this is huge. All of these sort of compression related items for the knees, for your feet, for even like compression blankets are very popular now. So when I saw this, I knew that this was a winner. So let's have a look at the Facebook ad. So if we can see here, this is a fantastic item. You can obviously see that it's a woman wearing it in this case, and it's likely that women are going to be the main ones that are going to buy it. Part of the reason I actually know this is also because a lot of women suffer from a lot more pains than men do, especially in their hands. Okay, a lot of women have, I believe it's called fibromyalgia. I apologize if I've gotten that wrong. I don't mean to offend anyone, but you can see that like this is in, I believe this is French as the ad, and you know, we're seeing a lot of comments from this, and it's a great item that a lot of people have this problem with. It is perfect, and you can see that they've just pretty much gotten an ad from someone else. But so it's going to help people, as you can see, with typing all on their phone, all parts of their daily life, exercise, and just general household things, okay? Because, you know, people do get pains in those various joints, and this is going to help put pressure on it so that you don't feel it. Again, think of it when you do have pain. If you apply pressure to it, usually the pain subsides, hence why this item is really, really good. If you want to vote for this in the video for scripting, comment that down below. But this is a fantastic item that has huge potential. It's got massive viral potential. Everyone has hands, okay? A lot of people have pains in their hands. This is also really good just to keep your hands warm. If you're riding a bicycle, going outside, it is great for that as well. So it has massive viral potential. It's got health benefits for people that might have various aching pains, you know, especially for office workers and stuff. So it really has a lot of potential to go quite viral. It's not a high-end item, so it's definitely going to get a lot of volume and a lot of people wanting to buy it because it's not an expensive item, and everyone can use it in their day-to-day life. And on top of that, it's very self-explanatory. This video is just showing the benefits of what the item is going to do in their life. However, what it applies to everyone, and I would argue that men would buy it too. However, when we have a closer look at the comments, although these people are mainly French by the looks of it, in this instance, so if you were to market it, we can use that saying that, you know, they're marketing to European countries and other countries outside the big five. But what we do know is that in this case that they're definitely marketing it to women, as I sort of thought, that this is an item that is mainly towards women. And I would argue that this would be younger women as well, because a lot of younger women get a lot of pains, a lot of older women get pains as well. So this is definitely an item centered towards women. I would be tempted to test this item to the main countries and then test in the European region, because as we can see, we have proven data here to show, and by hovering over their names, we can see obviously where they're from. Sort of where they're from, so France, and we can see that it's a female and their age. Now that image is hard to see, so I'm going to move on to the next. France again. So we definitely know that this is definitely doing very well in France, okay? So this is why I like to do this research. By looking at an ad, you can easily tell the gender most of the time, you can tell the country, and you can sort of tell the age. If you can narrow those down straight off the bat, well, then you dramatically increase your chances of success far faster and more profitable. Especially for those on a limited budget, this is really, really, really invaluable. If we actually have a look here at the actual AliExpress thing, again, we got another video. I apologize. We got another video, and we can actually use this video here. These videos are royalty-free videos that you can use, and We didn't even watch it all, and we could slice this up in with other videos and make a unique video that's really high converting. We see we've got 3 different sizes, all $2.99. Okay, so very cheap, so it's suitable for all people, and they have e-packet. Okay, so really easy item that you can buy in bulk. If you went to like a private supplier and bought in a large amount, you could probably get that from $2.99 to like $1 to $2. Okay, so if we have a look here, I'd be selling this at $19.99, profit margin of about $17. People are likely to buy multiple pairs because they're going to throw them in the wash throughout the week. Okay, and I'd be targeting health brands, health TV shows, famous doctors, medicine brands, various forms of health issues that people might have, maybe even fibro. I believe it's fibromyalgia. I always get that wrong, so I'm sorry. Is a very common one. Office workers, various interests like that, and you're off to the races. Okay, you'll be fine. Demographics 18 plus. It's sort of in that $20 range that we can try and market it to women. Okay, and if you want to go a step further, France, and again $50 a day budget. Okay, so that's product number 2 on a product that can make you $100,000, and exactly how you can do your market research around that product. Okay, let's go into now product number 3. Product number 3, the intensive stain removal toothpaste. Okay, this is a fantastic item that as soon as I saw it, it grabbed me. Whenever you see an item like this and it grabs you, it's highly likely that it's going to convert quite well. Hence why I added this to the list. Now I want to be completely transparent here. When we see intensive stain remover whitening toothpaste, I want to be very clear that you want to be very safe with an item like this. We're talking that this is an item that people can partly ingest into their body. You don't want to have any form of lawsuit on you. Okay, now do some more research on this. Okay, and also before you scale it, make sure you test the product and validate it, and really try and brand it, because this is definitely a type of product where that people want to make sure it's safe and secure for them. Okay, they want to know that if it's going to have any impact, any health impacts on themselves. Okay, so be very, very, very I just want to be clear with that, and I want you to be safe. Okay, because this does happen. Although it's not spoken about, people do unfortunately get in trouble. So let's go and have, let's go and have a look at the actual Facebook ad. Again, we can see a great example, okay, that this product it's just showing basically before and after live video of how our product does it and the differences that you're going to get from it. Okay, so very much an item that needs to show people the benefits, and it'll really, really work well. I would argue that if we're able to get before and after of someone actually using it on their teeth, a real person, that's going to make a big difference, not just actually just putting it in cups and so on and so forth and showing a bit of an example. Because at the end of the day, most people are going to use this for their teeth. Okay, so that's the mass appeal. Everyone has teeth, mass appeal. Okay, everyone wants perfect white teeth. Okay, mass appeal. Everyone wants those perfect white shining teeth. We very much appreciate our outward appearance, so that's very, very important. You can see it's gotten thousands of comments, okay, and you see that, if we have a look here, we're seeing it's mainly women, okay, so we know it's mainly women that are interested in this item, okay, and Dragon Ball Z lover. So if we go further down again, so we're seeing more women, and I'm trying to look for correlating patterns. That we are actually seeing a number of men, so I apologize. This looks to be men and women, and there we go. And so this is exactly also why I do market research. This is perfect for testimonials. Okay, now if we have a look here, this is why I also do this market research. Look at the comments that have lots of likes, loves, and likes and loves and laughing. Okay, we can see this is perfect. Okay, this is a before and after that you want. It's like the same when you sign up for a gym membership. Okay, before and after, and people comment on this. They love it. It helps so much with conversions when you get that type of social proof. So that's showing that it's safe, and we actually know that it's for men and women, although I'm seeing mainly women. So, and if we again have a look, we're seeing that it looks to be that it's mainly Western women. Okay, so I would be tempted in the beginning to just cut out men and market this to the big 5. By the looks of it, this is mainly to United States, and I would argue that it would be at least 25 and up. However, if we go back here and we talk about the cost price is $4.97 and we're charging $24.99. A lot of 18 to 24 year olds are interested in that, but I would skip over them in this case. It's a bit higher ticket. We've got a profit margin of about $20. The interest targeting, toothbrushes, teeth whitening, dentist, toothpaste brands, braces, teeth, health brands, anything relating to health is the type of interest you want to do for this. Okay, so that's what you want to try and target. And we also know that the demographics are pretty much 25 and up, and we know it's mainly women, and we know it's mainly to United States. Okay, so we already know from doing this product research how to market it and who to market it to. Okay, and now we just need to make a really high converting video. If you want that as the video for my upcoming video, let me know down in the comments. If this is the one, if it gets the most votes, it will be the chosen video. Again, a budget of $50 per day, and I have a video on this in my channel if you are interested in wanting to learn the Facebook starting testing strategy. Okay, so that's product number 3. All right, and just lastly, again, I just wanted to reiterate next video ideas, okay? So a lot of people have been asking me this for a case study of my latest store, $0 to $100,000 in 10 days, okay? Had to actually scale that down due to stock and inventory issues. I'm gonna be scaling it up again after Christmas, it just happens. Video script using product 1, 2, or 3, again, you choose, okay? If you want that, and winning product research, okay? If we want to go into live winning product research, how I do it, how I can find these products in probably less than 5 minutes, and how we can go and market them really, really quick. Okay, these videos are super valuable. So you can choose what order they sort of come out in by commenting down below. The ones that get the most comment determines what order they come in, and what the amount of comments we get determine which one the video script is going to be on, to teach you how to do that as a beginner. Okay, I want to keep that very beginner friendly. All right, so that's really important. And that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like today's video, I would really appreciate a like, really appreciate that you subscribe for more value, as well as comment down below what one of the 3 videos you want. Determines the order they're coming out. Absolutely invaluable content that you're gonna absolutely love. Okay, guys? On top of this as well, I've got my free masterclass, okay, that is free training that you can join there. I've also got my free high converting theme that is absolutely crushing it for people. People have been following me on Instagram at RickyHayesIG. You will know that people have been crushing it with this theme, that it's pretty much plug and play, and it's just extra money. Okay, extra money. Been working really hard on that. Should add as well that Black Friday, Cyber Monday are around the corner, so I've been really busy with my own store, really busy with various forms of marketing. Stay tuned for some really good stuff that you're going to love for Cyber Monday and Black Friday. It's going to be great. If you want a free cheat sheet containing 10 products, 10 winning products, just like in today's video, jump on there. And if you are interested in my premium course, there's a link there. Lastly as well, there's some links there as well for various things, being Salesforce, Droppoint, Shopify. Okay, jump on all of those. You're going to love it. And plenty of other playlists to help you absolutely crush it. Okay, guys, so I hope that has been really helpful. So once again, I hope this video has been helpful. Be sure to get the slides down below. Be sure to like today's video. Be sure to have a great day. Take care and goodbye.